The rainy day. Rain, it splashed against the windows, gurgled down drain pipes, and made puddles all over the yard. Daniel and Lily were feeling bored. Oh, we have nothing to do. Meanwhile, in the pigsty, Lola and her piglets were having a blast in the big mud bath. They were having so much fun that there were squeals of delight everywhere. Hurrah, hurrah, it's a rainy day, it's a rainy day. Let's have some fun, let's have some fun. On the pond, the ducks bobbed happily, splashing around as if rain was no big deal, just water off a duck's back. Down by the bridge, the river kept rising and rising until it overflowed, sending brown, muddy water across the road and under the farm gate. George was fixing the tractor in the barn when he heard a shout from the road and saw Jill, the postman, struggling through the water on his bike. "Help, George, I'm stuck," Jill called. "Don't worry, Jill," George shouted back. "We'll get you across." George put down his tools and jumped into the tractor. He started the engine and backed out of the barn. Lily and Daniel, dressed in their waterproofs, raced down to the bridge with Conquer the dog. "Look," Lily gasped, "the ducklings are swimming all over the garden and Jill trapped by the flood." George rumbled up in the tractor and called out, "Hop on the trailer, kids, I'll drive us through the flood." "Nice weather for ducks," Jill puffed as he climbed aboard. "Thanks, everyone. Oh no, my cap!" Conquer barked excitedly and leaped into the water after it. "Come back, Conquer," Lily cried. "You'll be swept away." "Don't worry, silly," Daniel said. "Conquer is a great swimmer. He swims well." "Go, fetch it, boy." Conquer grabbed the cap in his mouth and paddled back to the trailer. He dropped proudly and wagged his tail. "Good old Conquer." Everyone cheered. "Wow, well done, boy." Conquer shook himself off, spraying everyone with water. George drove back to the yard and they all jumped off the trailer. "Thank you, everyone," said Jill, putting his cap back on. "Especially you, Conquer the dog. I really like the old cap. Come inside," Mom called. "You are all soaked." What an adventure for a rainy Tuesday morning. "Brave dog," Daniel said, giving Conquer a pat.